everyone, I'm your lovely host Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's voice acting advice, or as I like to call it, Eva. Today's topic is vocal fry. While doing anything with your voice, you're bound to hear the term vocal fry thrown around. So just what is it? And is it actually bad for your health? Vocal fry is most commonly known as creaking of the voice. A notable cartoon character that has this as a prominent feature of their voice is Raven from Teen Titans. If you're trying to find out how to do this sound for yourself, try doing the quote-unquote grunge groan, or so attractive, I know. Vocal fry is the absolute low of your voice, as you have to move your larynx and let little air bubbles through your vocal cords to even get that particular sound. Most people tend to speak with vocal fry when they first wake up in the morning and their muscles have yet to wake up, or when they're sick. However, I know that some characters that you will encounter may require vocal fry. If so, it's good to know how to do the fry and speak through it. Much like Raven of Teen Titans, vocal fry in women has become synonymous with goth and teenage rebellion. So, when vocal fry is needed, it may be very stereotypical. Now, is it actually bad for your health? Well, I wouldn't say it's the best thing for your vocal cords to talk or sing in it a lot, but it's not detrimental. There's been years of debate on this topic, so do make your own judgment on this. A good rule of thumb for anything: if it hurts, stop. For younger women who are still growing, I would avoid vocal fry altogether, as it may make your voice deeper as a result of speaking in it quite a bit. I mean, if you don't mind that, then gung-ho, but it's still a risk. Another risk of doing vocal fry for long periods of time is vocal cord calluses, or nodules. These nodules form when the vocal cords have to vibrate against each other for a long period of time. These are usually formed when shouting a lot, or when singing in upper levels of volume, but they can form from these types of things as well. Removal of nodules or calluses can range from not speaking for a few weeks up to a few months, to surgery that may or may not harm your vocal cords for life. All in all, be careful with your voice, alright? Anyway, thank you for watching. Have any suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Please leave them in the comments below. Or you can @me on Twitter. It's @creatinglove. I am more than happy to help to the best of my abilities. This has been episode number 16 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!